Okay, so welcome everyone to SafuLane. Today, our topic is going to be Introduction to D.Fi. I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. And please, once you see my screen, you can just let me know that I'm live. I'm good to go. Okay, so please, can you see my screen? Hello, guys.
Yes, I can see us.
All right, so we're good. Perfect. Okay, so we are good to go. So basically, let's quickly check on the notes that we have here. So according to Noble or Peter, it was the one that sent me this information. So we are just going to review it first before we go to the platform. But before I proceed, do you have anyone here I've actually checked on this platform before now?
Yes, I've checked on the platform.
So what is the take on it?
Hello? You are okay. Can hear you.
I said, what is your take? Like, what is your opinion on it?
Yeah, I think the project is a nice project because it tends to solve problems of security in the crypto community. So and it's backed by so many good investors, especially ZKSing. So I think it's a very nice project. So it has to do with security, anti-scams, and other good innovative ecosystem building on them. So I think it's a very nice project.
Okay. Think that is a good one if I hearing that from you, so it gives more confidence to actually explore what we're about to do tonight. So okay, from the information I have here, it's a decentralized exchange site, helps you to make transfer. Basically the primary tool is for data analysis. So can analyze, it's possible to analyze wallet, contract address, and to make sure there is no backdoor to rug. So that means safety is what they are considering here. So now the interesting part is you can't register except through invites, probably to filter out bots or people that might want to farm engagement with it, or probably people that might want to cheat the system. Okay, it's a good one. And also I need to input my email address and connect my wallet to complete the registration. Revoking wallet address, funding accounts will be sent. Okay, on-chain interaction is advisable to be well positioned for this project. Okay, I think their task is a little bit much, but we're going to be checking it out. So right now, I think I tried to open their website. Who was the one giving us a brief on it? Is that Apex or Pascal?
Pascal.
Okay, it was Pascal. All right. So well, I'm just registering for the first time, but Pascal.
Yeah, please, what did you say?
Yeah, I was trying to ask a question. Like, you've already signed up for it, right?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay, cool. No problem. So I'm going to be using Noble Peters because I'm just trying to make sure I can get enough information before doing that. So one of the first things is to ensure that I'm going to be faster. Sorry for that. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. They said they are announcing something special on October 10th, and is a Web3 super app and antivirus DeFi portfolio tracker. Okay. Open with the demo address. Probably I can use the demo address to check on what it is that we're about to expect here. And they have different chain integrations. Okay, cool. And also they have other chains coming up, and they have centralized exchange where the asset is going to be listed. I think they have good backing. If they're having these big exchanges interested in them, that is making sense if they have that backing. So I can track my portfolio. That is good. I can make deposits. I can view my NFTs. Wow, I think they are having a good what's it called? A good solution, to be honest, because this is something like deepbank.com is doing, but they are unable to do more data tracking, or let's say data analysis. So live analysis of any EVM chain wallet. So that is it. So it is only for EVM wallet. Talking about let's say most of our wallet that start with OX. All right, so I can scan smart contracts, Rex database, okay, audited database, and I can see their investors. Wow, I think if they are trying to do airdrops or anything, it might turn out to go well. It might, because it's just speculations, and they have angel investors. Wow. I think they have good backing. Yeah, this should be a very great project. Let's just see what happened. Yeah, they have good backing. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's just go up. Let me try to sign up. Okay, let me get this information about what is happening. Oh, I already closed it. So let me just create my own DeFi account. I'm using Noble's invitation code. Continue with creating a profile. Okay, so I'm going to start recording for now, just to make sure that I keep some information private. Sorry for that. So I'll come back to share my screen again. All right. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to fill up some information, and I'm trying to set. It's just for security's sake, so it is very, very important in what was it called, in this crypto space, to be very, very security conscious. So I'm going to be making sure that I am security conscious of whatever I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm trying to enter an email I want to use. Okay, so let me just use my email. I'm coming. I'll be sharing my screen back. Just wait for me for some while. Okay, so if you have the time, maybe we can be doing it together. I can drop the link. It might help, actually. So now, as soon as I entered my email, it requires me to verify, and I got the code, so I'm going to be dropping it. So okay, cool. So I was able to drop my email and verify my email. So now let me start sharing my screen once again, so you can see that I was able to successfully do that. Okay, so let me just share my screen. All right, so this is it. I was able to verify my email, and what's next is claim your early adopter. And so can I get that? So I need to please choose your username carefully, as this will be your unique and permanent handle on d.fi. All right, I'm going to be using SafuLane. So that is very straightforward, and it's minimum of 6 name. All right, good. So it's available. Then I can continue. Then I can choose my password. So this is another sensitive area. I'll have to stop sharing my screen. Sorry for the breaks. It's very, very important to just take note of all these things. So I'm trying to enter my password. I got a Google security check. Probably they know I'm on VPN though, so maybe because of that. Okay, so just hold on for me to skip that step. All right, so okay, so I've been able to do that. So what's going to be my password? Okay, so I'm trying to just set up my password. Okay, cool. Let me see if it allows me to proceed. Okay, just hold on. All right, perfect. So I've been able to complete the process. Let me share my screen again. So share my screen. All right, let's start broadcasting. Good. Okay, so just hold on. All right, perfect. So I joined today. Thank you for being an early adopter of our platform. Okay, so that is a good one. Got it. So now this is my ID. Then I'm going to my dashboard. Go to dashboard. So what am I getting now? Okay, cool. So got it. So right now I've been able to just create a profile with them, and they say something is happening October 10th. So while we're going there, it's telling me to add account. So how do I add my account? That is another thing to check out. Okay, so adding account requires me to connect my wallet. So since I know that it is a safe one, don't forget about security conscious. I mean, don't forget to be security conscious. So before I add my account or anything, I will still try to double check on the URL. Am I on the right URL? Okay, good. D.fi, and make sure that it's not the phishing link. So I've tried to do that again. So I don't have myself to be blamed at the end of the day. Don't forget, I try to check my URL again. This is basically to avoid clicking on phishing link, or I don't know, this space is a very sensitive space. So, and don't forget, if you're adding wallets, you might just use one of your wallets that you don't have enough cash on it. It is advisable to do that. Okay, so let me just connect my wallet. So I'm going to be using Trust Wallet. Okay, so let me just open my Trust Wallet. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so got it. All right, so I think, yeah, this is it. So your wallet is empty. Is it able to add my wallet? I don't know. Save. Okay, so transactions, leaderboard. Okay, so I think what I've been able to do, I've been able to connect my wallets. Well, I think all these chains, I should have money on the wallet. Why is it not showing? Okay, I will try to exploit later, maybe personally, and let me check on what they're having on October 10th. So something big is happening on October 10th. For the past 3 years, our team have been working out on something special, something that I believe will change the world of decentralized finance. We'll fully announce what we've been working on. This is something everyone have been waiting for. So in the next 10 days, they are launching. All right, so it's good to know that early access to innovation plus bonus announcements. All right, so I think let all of us try to follow up with this. So, all right, so sorry, I'll be doing this later. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for now because I think the other part has to do with wallet connections interacting with what they have here, and this is where, okay, connect wallets. Okay, and trust. Okay, so let me see. All right, cool. So, all right, okay, yeah, I think I've been able to connect my wallet. All right, cool. So this is perfect. Okay, so if I'm able to connect my wallet, what's happening? Okay, so all right, transactions. Basically, something they are trying to do is what is being offered by all this the bank and all. Okay, so there's nothing much happening here for now with what I've seen. So let me see crypto markets. What do they have here? Okay. All right. So I think these are where they have their shield, their scanners. Okay. High risk threat detected. That's on my wallet, right? So let me see. Total amount protected, so there is no problem with it. Okay, show more information. Smart router, token drain variability. Wow. So I think this really makes sense. So probably on this wallet, I've connected to a smart contract that could drain my token, and it's telling me, wow. I think this is really really good, and actually I'm not aware. Wow. So I think their solution is making sense if it can scan things like this. Okay, so let me just revoke it immediately. Let me see. They are going to revoke 3 contracts. I can check them manually. Let me just say show all standard token USDT. Wow, shipbot. I know of this shipbot. This shipbot was a scam token I bought. Standard token. I don't know of standard token. But USDT, I'm not sure of USDT as well. I'm going to be revoking them later on. I want to see what happened. I want to manually check on the on-chain transaction I did on them for me to have approved them. So okay. Scanning in smart contracts. Okay, so they're having a scanner and they have a database for what's happening here. Top crypto arc. Okay, good. Well, I think if one needs a lot of analysis audit, let me check the audit as well. Okay, I can request for an audit on the project, and wow, cool. Yeah, I think they're having good products, to be honest. For one to be able to scan and do a lot of things on their platform, this is awesome. And they can help to just provide more safety to people investing in projects, so you can easily get to see. All right, so I think they said on October 10th they are bringing in more products, so let's wait till then to see the things they are trying to do. So they have, I can check my wallet. Why do I have to do lending? Okay, but maybe this is their own way of generating funds for the business, but it's cool at the same time. But one of the thing is, if it can just, okay, for me connecting my wallet, I can easily know if I'm safe or not. It's a brilliant idea, and they have a lot of integration on chain. But I think this is not as perfect as the bank. The bank is still going to give me more data. But let me check the NFT page. NFT page is under update. Okay, cool. Yeah, because NFT page is important too. Okay, because I actually have some token on this wallet that is not bringing. I'm sure of that. Maybe it's only bringing token that are already listed or something like that. I don't know, but I'll carefully check again, just to make sure that you know we are getting everything right. Okay, so tonight we'll be stopping here. We've been able to explore it together, and we noticed that it is safe to use it. So before we go to our question and answer section, would like to just ask us if you have any question generally related to what we've talked about tonight. So before that, I will stop sharing the screen just for the sake of people who are on our YouTube, so as not to have a long clip that they have to watch. So I'll stop sharing the screen here. So if you are watching us, sorry. If you are watching us on YouTube, you can just do well to subscribe and turn on notification for other upcoming videos. And we can do more videos regarding D.Fi when more exploration is done on it. So thank you for doing that. Okay, cool. So we are done with any video we are preparing for our YouTube. All right, Pascal, go ahead.
Thank you very much, SafuLane. Yes, I just wanted to add something. There's this thing they also integrated, the referral program, whereby you can refer somebody, then that person will have to follow you, then you follow back the person. So it's just like a social media type of, follow me and follow you system. So I don't know if you can drop our links, those persons that have registered, then we can follow each other. So it's going to help us a lot.
Okay, so what's the benefit of the following? Hello, hello, Pascal. Are you with us?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. What? The reason why I'm asking is what's the benefit of following on the platform?
No, that was the interface in their platform. Just when you have a follower, somebody you refer to, we have to follow you. Then you follow that person. So it's just what they introduced lately.
Okay, so
Just
now
from
you are on the platform. How can I follow you?
you have not referred you. Is when you refer someone, then the person you refer, then you have to follow that person. So if I should drop my
Okay,
link, you follow me, then I'll follow you back. That's how it works.
okay. So I think yeah, that is a good one actually. But I did not notice that. And okay, so but I think on the main page they were talking about something like following. So yeah, it's cool. So yes, if you've registered on DeFi, we can follow each other, right? If you are being referred by that
Yes.
particular account. Okay, cool. Now I get how it works better. All right, that's cool. So we can actually do that. If you're already on the platform, drop your link and just send it to Revotech. So when you send it to our Revotech, we can compile the list and people can pick on who they want to register with on their link. So we'll do it like that so that we don't muddle up our chat on the Telegram, on our Telegram. So if you already done this, you registered on D.Fi. So just send us the link and we'll drop everyone's link at the same time. I think that works better and that will help us to have a clean chat. Okay, so yeah,
Please,
right here.
sorry, where did you say we should send the link to?
Okay, at Revotech. Just use
Okay,
this.
okay, okay.
Revotech. I'm trying to type it to at Revotech. So once you send it, just signify that you have to send it in the group so that just tag the message or tag at Revotech. So as just to follow up with it. So every list will be compiled and sent to everyone. So if you are here to register on D.Fi, I mean you can use those referral links so that we can help each other to on the account. So people who are yet to register can do that. So that is fine. So do we still have any questions, guys, before we move to our question and answer giveaway part?
Um, I actually have a question about this deed of fi. Now, if we sign up, okay, the link has been dropped now. If we sign up, for instance, do I need to keep on like referring people, inviting people into the platform for me to like gain points or something like that? Because I was trying to understand it.
Well, yes, like what Pascal said, you have to refer people, and your referrer have to follow you so as to earn something from it. So, it will be like a responsibility you have to look at. But I don't know how it is going to be easier for us to do that. That's why I said everyone can just you can just maybe if you've used someone's link in the group to have registered, so just drop it so that we can just help each other to make it easy. So maybe when we drop it, anyone on the group can use your link to register.
Okay. Please, can I add something, SafuLane?
Yeah, me too.
Please, Apex, if you could remember, I think there was the same referral strategy used by Arkham and on-chain data analysis project. So they did this referral thing too. So I think it's better. It will be a very good opportunity for us to actualize, use this referral link and just boost up our points. So I think it's very interesting because this is a marketing strategy. You're bringing new persons into their own project. That means it shows that you are much interested in their project. So I think that's the benefit of them doing
Yes, and
referral link.
I think with what we've got together, they have good back, so we should be able to. you know, reward people accordingly. And also, one thing is to not just consider the fact that we are referring. We should consider to see the benefits of using the platform. You understand? Like right now, you can see that I connected the wallet and it was telling me that I've not revoked access to a contract that is I mean that can affect my wallet, so that can drain actually. So I think those are the things that I see it is very, very important. So sometimes I can just be using them to scan my wallet. So, but the other side, if we're also interested in getting funds from it, so it is good to also refer people. But since it is a good product and we already see that it is much more concerned to safety, and that is what we encourage here. So yeah, why not? I mean, it's another way to make money in the space. So yeah, we support that. So, but it's just that for us to have our own chat in this community arranged properly and not model up. So just send your referral link. Anytime you have your referral link, we'll keep updating that post. I'll be adding people's referral link to it. So it makes sense like that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, okay. So do we have any other question again? Didi, how are you doing, man? I can see you. And BTC Shadow, you're just joining us. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. I actually joined the class late, so I'm trying to just waiting for the recorded stuff so that I'll get the rest.
All right. So if you are just joining us, don't forget that we made mention of launching our mobile app very soon. And that's one of the reasons why we said everyone should participate in dropping their email on our website, which is the link we dropped on the message posted in this group. So you can do well to drop your email if you've not done that. So probably by next month we'll have the launch and we'll give everyone a glimpse of what we've been building. So we are excited to just talk about it. So it is happening very soon. We should all get ready. And at the same time, while doing that, don't forget that we've tried to explore D.5 today, and we've pointed out some important things to note about it. And Pascal, I've been able to reference us to the point that okay, we could be able to refer to just something like Akam did, and it's possible to make money through referring people to the project. So yeah, that is a good one. Right here, we are going to be moving to question and answer, and we have to be very fast with answering the question. So the rule is just to drop your answer on the group. So you have to drop your answer on the group, and once you drop your answer on the group, what's next is to we are going to be picking the winner, of course. So our question is always random. Tonight, I'll be picking how many of us are here. So we are 6. So most of our question might be from what we've thought. Do we have someone who want to ask something? Okay, Didi, you can help us mute your mic so that we don't have any disturbance coming from that end. So right now that we are on call, so I'll just call out the questions and I want you to just type out the answer. So the first person to type the answer correctly is going to be the winner of that question and answer giveaway. And we are going to be having 3 questions being three. Let's have like 5 questions, because those questions are something related to what we already know. So we are 6. So 5 questions. So let me just get people who are going to be, because we'll be picking the answer immediately. So I want to just record it and just pick winner from it. So hold on for me. I'll mute my mic. All right. So we're about to start. So, guys, get ready for the questions. They are random questions, and just get ready to type the right one. And at the moment we say stop, we're not going to be accepting any answer. So, yeah, let's get ready for it. So, the first question goes like this. Why? Why is Peterson dropping something here? Okay. Peterson, you can delete your message. We're not getting what you're sending. Okay, so the first questions, are you guys ready? Are we all ready? So just focus on typing on the group. It's just listen to the question and drop the answer. So immediately we are going to be announcing the winners. I quickly want to just make a record for everyone. So we have DD, we have Pascal, we have Peterson, we have Apes, and we have BTC Shadow. So if BTC Shadow is live with us and ready to answer this. So we have 5 questions. Yeah, 5 questions. So we have 6 members participating. So let's go. The first question goes like this. In an uptrend, what typically happens to the price after a pullback? Please drop your answer in the group. In an uptrend, what typically happens to the price after a pullback? Just a simple answer. So in the next 1 minute, we are going to be, yes. So there is a timer. 20 more seconds. All right, we're expecting more people to drop answers. Okay, stop. All right. So let me see. So immediately we are going to be picking the right answer immediately. So there's no need to waste time on whoever got it right. Okay, so it's simple. The answer is it continues rising, which is correct with what Pascal said. It goes up. So the first person to get it right is Pascal. So we have 1 point for Pascal. So yeah, correct answer. So yeah, 1 point. All right, cool. So let's go. So every other person, we are going to be disregarding the point. But we are not going to be accepting late answer. So 1 point for Pascal. All right. The next one is simple as well, but we just have to be fast and drop the correct answer. So I hope we are all ready for this. What is the okay? Don't let me ask this. Sorry. Just answer with true or false. So get ready to answer it correctly. True or false is the answer to this. To confirm the continuation of a downtrend price. To confirm the continuation of a downtrend price, price need to break the previous lower low. True or false? To confirm the continuation of a downtrend price, needs to break the previous lower low. Good. All right, so let's check. I think everyone answered to this very fast. So who answer? Okay, yeah, 1 point for Apex. All right, the answer is true. Good. The next questions goes like this. We're going to be doing this. Let's make it even much more harder. Sorry. Okay, so that's the third question. So what are we having here? Okay. I don't want us to have a question relating to trades. So let's see. Okay. So this is a very, very, very simple question as well. In a simple sentence, in a simple sentence, what are NFT loans? NFT loans. In a simple sentence, what are NFT loans? All right, so quickly drop your answers. What are NFT loans? So that's our third question. I mean, that's our third question. What are NFT loans? All right, time is counting. 20 more seconds. All right, you can drop your answers. All right. Okay, everyone stop. Okay, good. We have a person having it to be, I mean, he's the only person dropping answer on that, and he's the only closest person. So NFT loans, just like the name implies, they are used for they are used for collaterals. They are used for NFT collaterals. So all right, cool. We are moving to the fourth and fifth question. So let's get ready, guys. The fourth and fifth questions. I mean, we are not accepting any question. I mean, any answer again on that. So the next question is when we are talking about okay, so I want us to move away from NFT loans. Let's go to something that has to do with decentralized. Okay, all right, good. So now I'm going to be typing the fourth and fifth question. So let's see if we are going to be getting it correctly. So just give me an answer to this on the group, and yeah. All right, so I'm going to be dropping this on our group, so just provide an answer to it real quick. So Apex is having another 1 point. Yeah, okay, so all right, so that's the question. So so provide answer to it real quick. So time is starting now. Yeah. So which programming language was used to implement Bitcoin code by Satoshi Nakamoto? All right, provide answer, please. Okay. 20 more seconds. Okay, so now we're moving real quick to all right, everyone can we are not more accepting any answer for that. The right answer was answered correctly by Didi. So 1 point for Didi. Everyone got it correctly. So that's the answer actually. C++ was the language used. And for the first one, the answer also was true, but was firstly dropped by Apex. So right now we move to the last question. So we are going to be picking a winner tonight. So the last question is this. Which mathematical operation is used to calculate the value of Satoshi in Bitcoin? So time starts now. Yeah. 1 minute to answer the question. If you are very slow, I mean, we expect that you just drop the answer in as much as you know the correct answer. So yeah, the first person to drop the right answer. Which mathematical operations? All right, cool. Right here we are going to be wrapping it up. So I think everyone have been able to drop their answer. And okay, we have like 6 more minutes. I'm six. Yeah, for 2 more seconds. All right, everyone can stop. Yeah. Okay. So who is giving us the right answer? So on this part, everyone missed the answer. So which mathematical operation is used to calculate the value of Satoshi in Bitcoin? That was division. So everyone got it wrong. Division is the right answer. Please don't drop any answer concerning that. Answer is division. So let us just get it right. Answer is division. So every other person got it wrong. Okay. Lastly, we are moving to because of that, I think we already have a winner. Yeah, we have a winner already. Yeah, the winner for tonight is going to be Apex. Congratulations to you, Apex. You got 2 questions correctly out of the 5 questions. So he got 1 question correctly. Pascal got 1 question correctly. Peterson, I mean, everyone gets these questions correctly, but the first person to answer correctly. So for D, he has a 1. I mean, he is having 1 point. You can see it's marked up. And for Pascal as well, Pascal is having 1 point as well. Apex is having 2 points because he was able to answer correctly twice. So everyone can see it as a thumb up that was given to everyone. So let me just be sure that we are right with the points we've given out. Okay. So I think this is where Apex got the second point. All right, cool. So I mean, the first question, Pascal answered it correctly. The second question was answered correctly by Apex, first to drop the answer. The third one by Apex, and the fourth one by DD. And lastly, the last question, everyone got it wrongly. So congratulations to Apex. Apex is going to be the winner of tonight's question and answer. Apex, congratulations to you. So okay, so this is where we are going to be wrapping it up. I think everyone, we've been able to have a great section. And yes, we have a very important video. We are going to be dropping it I mean, as soon as it is edited and ready to be published. So congratulations to Apex and everyone that have participated. Please, before we wrap it up tonight, do we have anyone that still have any question? And hope you enjoyed what we're able to just do among each other tonight. All right, I think we are not having any questions. So let's just stick to our agendas and plan. So everyone that participated, congratulations to you as well, and everyone that have joined us live. I mean, Apex, drop your wallet address. We are going to be doing your transfer immediately. So so that we ensure that you go on with your reward. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be our class section as well. Get ready to learn more about our trading classes. So Crypto Cabal will be readily available to take us on classes. Don't forget, most of these classes we are doing, they are classes that are worth paying for in hundreds of dollars. Like people charge for, I mean, to get people to learn all these things. So if you are getting this for free, so just put more attitude to learning. That is what I'll suggest. So our agenda is simple. On Wednesday, we'll have our question and answer again. Thursday, hands-on practical. Friday, class section. Saturday, general discussion. And on Sunday, don't miss out on our Twitter space, 10 p.m. All right, thank you everyone for joining us tonight. I really appreciate everyone that is here. Have a wonderful night rest.